Welcome to this travel vlog. New York City with my friends all of Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 3 days of coverage, a whole bunch of food places, a whole bunch of adventures, hopefully good weather, very mediocre outfits, lots of good times. I'm just gonna try to capture all of this stuff and let's go get these good times, let's go get these memories, let's do it. Let's hope I stay this energized and excited and I'm not the first friend to complain and be tired of all the walking that will be done, because that is usually me. I am usually the friend that you travel with that just wants to stay home and chill in the hotel because she is tired and her feet hurt and she wants to sleep. Anyways, hopefully that doesn't happen this trip. Anyways, let's get this day started, let's get this trip started. Let us flash forward to the next thing. Girls trip! Woo! This is Carla's pre-coffee, coffee deficient mood. Thank you. Okay, we have made it to the hotel. Now let's do a little hotel sort of ish tour coming right up. Okay, so we're in Chelsea Market right now at this place called Big Moz, where they have really good cheese sticks and stuff. Trip itinerary person, looking up all of the places.
Yeah.
Oh snap! Okay, we're about to try it out. We're about to try it out. Okay, so verdict. So good.
So bomb.
So good.
Worth the hype.
Greasy, but delicious greasy.
Yeah.
No big deal or anything. This isn't just like the freaking friend's apartment right there. Like, no freaking way. I totally didn't even know that this was a thing.
Yeah.
Shout out to the best planner of all the things, taking us to our favorite place.
Thank God for her itinerary.
Okay, so we're closing off day one at Max Brenner's Chocolate Bar. House Bar. Was day one successful?
I say it's very successful.
First day ever.
Kat just said best birthday ever, so that means we've had a good day today. Anyways, that is it for day one.
It's gonna have to be
I will see you tomorrow
It's gonna have to be
for day two.
Sarah!
Oh my god! Carla, how do you feel today? Oh my god, are you gonna eat the other half?
Yeah.
Show them the bagel.
Your girl is starving.
Ooh, smoked
Starving.
salmon. We got it from the famous bagel place. Okay. We're waiting for Carla to try these famous cronut. We actually, fun fact, Kat ordered these how long ago?
A week and a half ago?
A week and a half, so you have to actually pre-order them, right?
Yes.
Because they're not just like available, like you can't just like pick them up.
I mean, you could, but they always sell out by like 9 a.m.
Yeah, they sell it by 9 a.m. and they open at 8, so like, cronut is basically like a donut, but it has layers, kind of like a croissant.
Yes, actually, Dominic and Sel invented the cronut.
Okay, listen, we're about to try a cronut from the inventor. Thank you, Dominique, for blessing us with your innovation. We're about to try this out. A freaking cronut, Cat.
Finally.
We're here. We made it. I wish it felt better, but we're here.
Yeah.
Alright. What's the reaction? No. Oh my god.
You're eating a croissant.
Really? Let me listen. Oh my god. No. This is unreal.
Yeah.
Look. Tap on it. No. Okay, I need to take some for Inmer. I'm gonna take this for
Go
Inmer.
now.
Oh no, I think I'll take this one.
No.
It's gonna get soggy.
Like once I open it?
Yeah.
Wait, they have more? No, they said that.
They're gonna sell out. People have been buying them because they've been